today's video, mamamasyal kami ng mga friends ko. Friends, office mates. So today we're going to Gloria Outlets. So I'm sure yung iba sa inyo familiar na doon. So we're gonna do some sightseeing and shopping. From my house, 5 to 10 minute walk lang to the station. So here are my friends. Meet Jefferson and Angelica. So we're done with lunch. So we're heading to the HSR station. So we have our tickets na. Say hi. Magkano isa?
190.
Oh, 190 from Nangang to Taoyuan. So Taoyuan station kami pupunta. Doon yung Gloria Outlets. So now we're at the platforms. We're just waiting for the right train to get onto. So here is the HSR. Meron ditong reserved and non-reserved seats. And compared to the MRT, yung Taiwan MRT, dito sa HSR, pwede ka kumain. So that's why meron kaming milk tea. Yay! Crocs. Sino ba bibiling bagong Crocs?
Wow!
Ito, bibili ng bagong rubber shoes. Hi guys. So again, I'm with Angelica and with Jefferson. We're going to Taoyuan. We're going to visit Gloria Outlets. So our train ride from Nangang to Taoyuan is 30 minutes. So see you there. Nakikita na rin siya. So we're finally at Taoyuan station. So hey, later, come see. Nakaka-curious naman to. Nasaan na? Nasaan yung kiss and ride? Kiss and ride. Bakit may kiss and ride? Sana all may kiss. Tayo sa Gloria Outlet. Yay! We're here. So first order of business saan?
Nike!
Yay! So dun. Bibili kasi si Attorney A ng Kipling. So, we're finally here at Kipling. So, ayan na siya. Siyempre, panahon na para ibudol namin siya na hindi lang isa yung ibilin. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's so cute. Oh. So, babe, kung nakikinig ka, sana payagan mo na ako mag-shopping. Bakit kasi ayaw mo ko mag-shopping? Ano mo to? It's only 2,300. It's so big. Simple get-up lang tayo with slippers. It's something I've never seen before. So, Kipling and Kipling and Barbie. The official Boodle Queen. Guys, so finally open na yung New Balance here. So na-close siya before for renovation. And so now we're gonna see kung anong bago. Are you ready?
Ready!
Ready! Sabi mo, yeah! Hey! Inindihan kami today ni Kuya Hermel. Sayang kasi, tingnan nyo, ang kanyang favorite brand, ang Skechers. So, ang tawag ni Kuya Hermel sa Skechers is Skechers. So, Kuya, kung nasan ka naman, di mo na naman kami pinagbigyan.
Totoo.
Kawawa naman kami, Kuya. Drawing ka na naman. Ano? Anong boob? Isa lang yung O.
Stop lang. Dapat alam may content ka. Ano, Jeff, reading brand.
Next, sa next vlog natin, si Jeff, pababasahin natin ng different brands.
Lahat.
Yes. And sa next vlogs pa natin, mag-spend tayo ng 1,000. Saan tayo madadala ng 1,000 natin? Pero wala nun dito. Parang hindi kaya yung 1,000 here.
Father brand.
Guys, so we took an Uber kasi it's raining. And we're going to Wow Inasal kasi gusto namin ng Filipino food. Guys, so we're now in Chongli. So, makita nyo naman, ito yung mga bilihan ng gold. So, it's super cheap here. Look. So, yung binebenta dito is Taiwan gold. Tapos, smile kayo. Gang, gang. Here in Chongli, meron ding EEC. So, EEC is our Filipino store here. Doon kami bumibili ng Century Tuna. So, this time, from Chongli, we're gonna travel back to Taipei using the TRA or the local train. So, lahat na sinakyan namin today, di ba? Hi! So, pinag-stairs kami ng bongga. Oh no. Layo ng bagong station. Ito tayo. Mag-hi kayo. So, we're back in Taipei. So, buhay pa naman kami. Okay ka pa ba, Jeff? So, yun na yung bagong trademark ni Jeff. So, whenever you see him sa vlog, maririnig niyo yung gang, gang.